Hello everyone, my name is Malay Biswal and you are watching Helpful Things, where we discuss about the tips and tricks to make life simple and productive for you, right? So today we are discussing about another video related to LIC, where we will see how to do the customer portal registration for LIC. That means you are a customer, you have a LIC policy, how you can do the registration here to check about your policy details and do many other things like paying your premium online, downloading your premium payment certificate. All these things you can do using the portal. So that is what we are going to look for. So once you are into this website, you just scroll down a little and see here there is something called online services, right? And here if you go down a little, you will see customer portal. Click on this customer portal, so it will take you to another website, okay, where it says customer portal, and you have a call center service available also if you need some information. And here you can see new user and registered user. So today we are going to see about new user, right? Because I have not registered at all before and I want to do the fresh registration. So you have to click on this new user registration. Before going to that, just see that what kind of different functionalities you will get in this portal. You can check about your online payment, you can check the policy schedule, you can check the policy status, bonus, loan status, claim status, revival petition, premium due calendar, premium paid certificate, claim history, grievance registration. I think everything you will get here, right? So you basically need not to visit the office at all and you can do it by yourself just sitting at home. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So we'll go to new registration. I'll click here and this says that this will take you to one external site. You say okay, it is basically a LIC site only, but this message is little misleading, but anyway, so don't worry, you just click on this and you land into this page. So now here you need to enter your correct information, right? So here you have to enter your policy number, the installment premium, exact the premium that you pay, the date of birth which is given in the policy details, the mobile number, very important, because all the information related to, let's say you want to do some password reset or something like that, so all this information will come to you this mobile number. So make sure that you are putting the correct mobile number and your email address, and same thing holds good for email address also. Make sure that you are putting a correct email address. Passport number, PAN numbers are optional because there is no star mark here, so if you like to provide you can provide, otherwise keep it blank. And you have to choose your gender. And see here it says that I confirm that the mobile number mentioned above is registered under my name and being used by me. I hereby authorize LIC to use the mobile number for any communication, right? So that's why you make sure that that mobile number is correct, and then you have to click on proceed. So fill this information and come back here. So after you fill all this information, just click on proceed. It will confirm the mobile number you have given and the email address you have given. Just re-verify that this is all correct, then click on proceed. So you might see this kind of alert which says that we have migrated to a new portal, and as a security measures you are required to re-verify your details. You can re-verify your details by clicking on the verification link sent to your email ID after completion of registration or verification process. So there will be a link which will be sent to your email ID for re-verifying your details. So I click on OK. So now once you are here, it's ask you to set a password. Okay, so there are password rules that you need to set a difficult password so that somebody cannot guess it. Okay, make sure that you are not setting something abc@123 something like that. Okay, make sure you are creating a proper password using the uppercase letters, the lowercase letters, the numeric values, and this kind of special characters. Okay, so I'll set up the password here and then I'll say submit. So once I do, it clearly says that you have successfully registered, and click here to login, right? So your registration process is successful. You just click here to login. I'll just click here. So now you can see that it is asking you for a user ID or your email address or your mobile number and the password you just created and the date of birth you have given while creating the account, right? So here we have given our email ID plus mobile number, so one of them you can give. I will try with my mobile number. So fill the information of mobile number, password and date of birth here and click on sign in. Okay, let me fill that. You can also do in parallel with me. So once you click on sign in, you will see this kind of information. You have registered on our customer portal, but verification of your email ID and mobile number is not done. To utilize our premier services, the verification of email and a mobile is essential. And to verify your email and a mobile, please click on the send verification link, else skip and proceed. Okay, at this point of time I will just say skip and proceed because we will get the verification link in our email. Okay, I'll say skip and proceed. So once you do that, it will just take little time to log in. Okay, so it will give you this kind of pop-up for enhanced services. Please register your policies under the premier service. If you want, you can do, but I'm exactly not aware what is premier services, so I'm not doing it right now. But without this, you can do all other stuff here. Okay, you can pay your premium online, you can do everything here. Okay, I'll just click on later here, and now you can see that you have logged in, and this is my name as per the policy. And here it says that the sell policy, that the policy that I have registered, and you have bunch of information here. Okay, so what we can do using this, I will record another video to do that, but as of now you have successfully created your account in LIC, and now you can log in using your mobile number and the password you have created to the portal and check all the informations which are required related to your policy. That's all for this video. Please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.